In this video, we're going to be going over how to edit your background color and styles. So right now I'm in my menu. I'm going to go to the top left of the screen and click on this edit button. I'm going to go all the way down to the background drop down, and there you can see that we have our styles and our colors. So right now I'm on a gradient style, and a cool feature that we have is that you can actually pick which direction that you have your colors blend from. So right now I have navy blending to light blue, and I don't have a gradient direction yet. I'm going to have it blend from the top to the bottom. So I'm going to click on bottom, and you can see that the navy starts up top and then it blends all the way to the light blue at the bottom. So it's kind of a cool feature that you can use to customize your menu. Now let's say that you don't want to have a gradient style. You can just do a solid one. Right now I have purple as our solid color, but you can come in and edit this really easy and change it to whatever color you want. And that is how you change your color background and style.